Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on React plus TypeScript. And in this tutorial, we are going to see how we can create an interface uh, with TypeScript inside our React application and pass that interface to a React component so that it receives only the data that we have declared inside that interface. So let's imagine that we have a product component. So I'm going to create a folder here called product, and inside that I'm just going to create a file called as index.tsx. Let's create quickly a product component and export this component. Let me add here a h3 tag that says my product. All right, so currently this component doesn't have a type that it is going to receive. So what I can do now is I can create a specific type for this component. So we can create a folder called models, and inside that let me create a model for product, and let's create an interface product that's going to take the product ID, which is a number. It's going to take product name, which is a string, and product price, which is another number over here. And let's export this from this file. And now in my component, what I need to do is I need to just specify the data type here, or the type here, using react.fc. As you can see that here I need to specify the interface that this component is going to receive, and that's going to be the product component. Now the problem that we are facing here is the name of my component as the interface is the same. So what we can do is we can probably change the name to something else. So I'm going to change the name here to home, and there's going to be home again. So this problem is now resolved. And now once we call this component from any of the parent components, let's call the home component, it's going to give us an error because it is missing the dependencies like product ID, product name, and product price. So we have to specify that over here. So product ID is 100, product name is Samsung Galaxy, and product price is maybe 5,000. And now if we check our output, let me just quickly start my server. So let's go to our web browser to check the output, and we should now see the output in the web browser. Let me see what is the issue now. So the problem now is inside our template we are not actually printing anything. So let's create an unordered list, and we need to receive this data now, which is product ID, product name, product price, and then we need to just print it. Inside my template. And now if I go to my web browser, I should see the output, and yes, so I'm able to see the attributes that I passed to the component in my output. So this is how you can create a component in TypeScript and create a specific interface for that component, so it receives only specific data that you have specified in that interface.